Here we are on board the 350 Realm. I'll start at the back of the boat. We're powered by the new Mercs, triple 300s, ton of horsepower for this boat. Great getting up on the plane, good top end as well, so plenty of power with the new Mercs. We've got the fold-down seat, which is comfortable. 3 adults, very comfortable. Folds away if you want to throw the line over the side. Nice leaning post with a nice cushion back. And if you are fishing, we get the Livewell right here. Very convenient for fishing off the back of the boat, so good size Livewell. And then over here we've got the dive door, which does 3 things very, very well. It's when you open it up, you've got the best access to get on this boat. When you're at a floating dock, it's the same level, so you can walk right on the boat. And then the ladder just drops in there. You have a sturdy four-rung ladder. Easy, safe way. You got a handle that you can pull yourself in, so real safe way to get on the boat as well. And if you're fishing, a lot of times when you lose the fish, it's bring them over the gunnel. And so here, you just drag them right across into the fish box. Very rarely going to lose the fish bringing them on the boat. It's a real nice feature. As we move forward, we've got the Sure Shade, which is automatic. It covers completely over the seating area. Nice 2-person seat here, real comfortable facing. So when we have a table that goes right in here, so really nice socialization. Then we've got, if you want to cook the fish you just caught, you got the electric grill, which is really, really nice. It goes away to make a nice counter, nice prep counter. You got a sink, drink holders, storage, and then a real big cooler. This you can put all kinds of drinks in here. You can put food in here, easy access right through here. So it's just a really nice setup back in the cockpit area. As we move forward toward the helm area, the helm seat is very versatile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this way, and I'm going to swing it around. And it'll go completely face this way. You can have 4 adults, table right in the middle. You got AC units in here, so you can be cool down or heat if you needed it. This winter we needed a little bit of heat. As I slide this back, we've got a fridge over at the helm. So you've got a fridge right next to the captain over here. Really, that's a nice new feature that they put in. And then you've got the Marine large touchscreen. So you've got plenty of electronics right here. Fusion stereo, digital throttle and shift, auto trim tabs, and then you got the joystick. I can dock this boat anywhere, anytime, any condition. It's unbelievable. Also, with the skyhook, I can lock it in. If I'm waiting for a slip assignment, it keeps me locked in by the GPS. And also, our favorite, the sunset at the end of the day. You point the bow at the sun. You go up to the comfortable lounges, a little glass of wine. It doesn't get any better than that. And also, it has the auto heading, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot, so you point where you want to go, you just hit the button, and it takes you there without having to put all the waypoints in and all the other stuff. So very, very easy. That's part of the boat. Now down below, we got the cabin. So you've got it set up for 6 adults, very comfortable to sit around. You've got a TV. It does turn into a bed, very comfortable bed for 2 people. It's got the full stand-up shower head on there. So it's a really, really nice cabin. It doesn't look that big from the outside, but plenty of room down below. Beautiful visibility on the windshield. It's a one-piece windshield, which is very nice. And then as we get to the helm area, we've got you can put 4 adults without the armrest up, but with the armrest, you get 3 adults, very, very comfortable. So very nice lounge seating. And then this table here, it's got a beautiful solid teak table. And then you also have the sun pad. So this will automatically lower, and you will so you can have one gigantic sun pad in here. Very, very nice lounging area. It's got the open array marine. It's got the spotlight on it. It basically has everything you're going to want. So if you got any questions, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.